Hello, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like landmark, reviews, location, price, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location. Here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating reviews online that are given by guests who enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 5.9, which is the possible room category first. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed height, room rate, amenities, facilities, and pages, etc. Category second. Category third. Room category fourth. Next we talk about the amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 3-star hotel. Pets are allowed in this hotel. The location of the hotel is good for guests to fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. These all except major credit cards and reserve the right to an amount prior to arrival. The check-in time of this hotel is 3 p.m. and the check-out time is 11 a.m. Guests are additional to early and check-in. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. For booking or more details, go to link in description. If you have already checked out from this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe our